Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I'm doing good. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. If you're new to my channel, welcome to our family, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button right below. And if you have already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and keep supporting me throughout my journey, guys. So without much delay, let's get started. Today I have applied this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color under the shade Nude Twist. This is such a beautiful shade, I should say. So if any one of you are in my skin tone, I'm going to say from the medium to dusky skin tone type, then you can definitely go for this particular lipstick for the day. And earlier I have also applied the review and swatches of this nude liquid lipstick. So if at all you have missed it, I'll just give it in the iCard above. Please do not hesitate to watch that, guys. So with that, we are moving on to the video. As you have seen in the thumbnail already, today's video is a complete review on eyeshadow palette from the brand Swiss Beauty. So this is my first ever purchase from Swiss Beauty and first ever purchase of a eyeshadow palette as well. So I just thought I can review a little bit about this particular palette, which is really beautiful and blissful to your eyes, and at the same time you also have multiple shades available in this with different sort of colors, shimmery and matte shades available in the market. So if you are willing to purchase any of these eyeshadow palettes, it will be a great help for you guys. So with that, I have started this review video. So without much let's dive into the video. As you can see, this is the packaging of this particular eyeshadow palette. So this is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. So this is how, as you can see, so this is how it comes in a cardboard packaging like this. This is completely a black colored packaging, and if you see, it is written about the complete product description and everything is written below this packaging. So if you are interested in knowing what are included in this, you can definitely read it out here, guys. So I'm not going into that. Instead, I'm going directly into the palette review. So if you just open the product, comes out like this, and I should say the product is completely sturdy and the packaging is just great, guys. So if you could see, this is how it looks once you open out from the packaging. So if you remove from the outer packaging, so this is how it looks. So this is a sturdy packaging, and in this you have 9 particular colors, as you can see, and this is palette number 2. So I have selected palette number 2. You have n number of palettes available already. So right from I think you almost have 8 to 9 palettes available in this particular brand. So in each and every palette you will find this type of 9 colors inclusive of both shimmery and matte shades, but the ratio will be different, right? In this particular palette you have 3 matte shades and 6 shimmery shades altogether, combination of dark and light shades. So I thought this will be a really good palette for me in the sense, and then I just picked this palette out because I can use this also as a blush and a highlighter, because you have slight pink and such sort of highlighter and blush shades also available in this particular palette. Considering that in mind, I took this particular palette. If you are willing to go for any darker shades, you also have darker palette available, like 6. I don't remember the palette number exactly, but then you can just check it out in particular apps like Nykaa Purple. You will find different palettes available, and according to your interest you can just choose the palette. So after this, if you just open this, it is you can open it like this. So if you just open the beautiful palette, this is how it looks. So look at this, guys, so beautiful it is, I should say. Packaging wise and quality wise and everything, it is just up to the mark, I should say. Though this is my first eyeshadow palette, I was not disappointed at all, because finding such type of eyeshadow palettes is a really difficult task for us, because sometimes you will find a perfect shade but the pigmentation will be not that good, and if you are finding a better pigmentation and a good one, then it will be consistency will not be perfect. So you have to satisfy all of these particular criteria. In that case, Swiss Beauty has done a really amazing job, I should say, and for that I will definitely give 9 out of 10. If you are looking for a budget friendly and an affordable eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely consider this particular eyeshadow palette as well. So if you could see here, you have 9 particular shades available here, combination of darker, lighter, shimmery and matte shades. So if you could see, I'll just show from here. So this is a dark one. So this is like a brown kind of a color, and this is shimmery shade. Light pink. You can use this also as a highlighter or a blush, and this is a silver color thing. You can use this definitely as a highlighter, because this goes well as a highlighter as well, because this is a silver kind of a shade. And next you have this is again a matte shade. So this is kind of a, you know, baby pink kind of a matte shade. I really liked it. And this is lighter to this one. Okay, so this is lighter to this one. So this is light brown, brown in the sense lighter shade, nude color, kind of type of a nude shade it is. And this is again a shimmery shade. So this is actually the darker version of this. So this is lighter and this is darker. So in pink only you have two variants available. So this is lighter one, this is darker shimmery. And again, if you see here, this is like an orange pink mix. So peachy shade. So this is a peachy shimmery shade, darker version. And this is again an orange light peachy shade, light one. So this is darker one and this is lighter one. And here it is completely a, you know, it is slightly like a sandal colored one. So you can say orange, yellow, lighter shade. So this is like a sandalwood color. So this is again a shimmery shade. So all these three are shimmery. These two are shimmery and these three are matte shades, guys. 1, 2 and 3. These three are matte shades and remaining all of these are shimmery shades. So I should say if you are looking for a, you know, if you want multiple shimmery shades in lighter and darker versions, then you can go for this particular palette, because in this you have lighter and darker shimmery shades wherein you can use this also as a blush and a highlighter. It serves 3-in-1 actually. You can use this as an eyeshadow, blush and a highlighter. So 3-in-1 with this single palette is just superb, I should say. So if you are looking in that way, then you can definitely go for palette number 2. And if you want to, if you want to give a smoky eyeshadow look, then you can go for other palette in which you have all sort of darker shades like brown, grey, black, all sort of darker shades are available in another particular palette. I'm not remembering the palette number, but you definitely have such a palette available from Swiss Beauty. So in that you will get all darker shades which are brown, black and everything like that. With that you can create a smoky look. But this, I mean, as I said, you can use, if you are looking for a multiple purpose, then you can definitely go for this particular palette, wherein it serves all of your needs, and these are just superb. So now if you go to the pigmentation wise, if you see, I'll just show you the swatch, guys. So so if you could see here, I have took the first 3. Look at the pigmentation, guys. Such an amazing pigmentation it has. I really liked it. Look at this shade, how glossy it is. It is just amazing. I should say you can use this as a highlighter or blush or, you know, what not. How pigmented it is and how elegant it is. So bright color it is and it is highly pigmented. So you can definitely go for this palette, guys. Now let's swatch the second row. So here again you have a darker shade, then light nude, and again. So now I'm gonna swatch it here. Look at this, guys, how beautiful it is. The shimmery shades are all superb, I should say, and even the matte shade is also so good. Pigmentation wise it is 10 by 10. I have nothing to speak about. So it is not powdery, at the same time it is highly pigmented, so it stays for a long time on your upper lashes. So in the third row I'm gonna swatch it, guys. So if you see the third row, amazing, guys, isn't it? So look at this, how beautifully pigmented it is, and it is just amazing, I should say. So in this price range, for an affordable kind of a, if you are looking out for an affordable eyeshadow palette, I will definitely and highly suggest this particular eyeshadow palette, because this is just amazing, I should say. Packaging wise, it is super sturdy. It easily locks here and the product doesn't come out. Even, I mean, the chances of breakage are only if you throw it down accidentally, then it will obviously break. Other than that, the packaging is just superb. If you could see, it is easily gets locked inside and the product will not come out, and no damage is happening for the product which is inside. So packaging wise and everything, I will give 9 on 10, and application wise and the shades pigmentation wise, I will give 10 on 10. Because in the affordable category, this palette is just superb, I should say. If anyone who are looking for a budget friendly affordable eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely consider this particular Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. You have multiple shades available. As I said earlier, you can choose your favorite shade from that. And what else, guys? So MRP of this is 229 rupees, but obviously in Purple and in Nykaa, you know, every time you will find in some offer, so you can definitely get in your great deals. So you will have to wait for a superb offer, and you can get this below 200 rupees sometimes, even for 200 rupees. Most of the times you will find it for 200 rupees in both the apps, and sometimes in offer times, and you will get it again below 200 also. So in that way, it is a great deal, I should say. It is a must thing in your makeup box, I would say. If any beginner is looking for a, you know, affordable eyeshadow palette, then you can definitely consider this. That's all, guys. So hope you have liked it. So if any one of you are looking to purchase this particular eyeshadow palette from Swiss Beauty, then you can definitely go ahead and you can definitely purchase this, guys, because this is such an affordable and a worthy, you know, deal. So yeah, hope you have liked it. So if you're liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.